A food truck is considered to be a high-profit food business idea, mainly because it involves a much lower investment than a sit-down restaurant. This alone is a competitive advantage of running a food truck instead of a regular restaurant, as the money you save in setting up can be used for other operations like marketing. Owning a restaurant requires you to invest in expensive utilities, hire a wide range of staff including cooks, cashiers, servers, kitchen managers, cleaners, etc., and pay property tax if you are the owner of your real estate or monthly rentals if the property is on rent. Hence, it becomes imperative for you to keep your operations costs, especially the hidden costs that may be bleeding your restaurant dry. On the other hand, the operational costs of a food truck are month-to-month and limited to food, supplies, and gas. You don't need to have a full staff, just a small team will do, and most of your taxes will be much lower. Repairs and fixes required in a restaurant can also burn a hole in your pocket. Maintaining furniture, electrical appliances, other kitchen equipment, restaurant decor, leaking pipes or ceilings, etc., all require a lot of effort and of course, money. Food trucks, on the other hand, can do well with just a little maintenance and repairs here and there over time. Here are some steps to follow when starting a food truck business. Find a suitable location. Look for areas with high foot or vehicle traffic, such as busy intersections, downtown areas, or popular parks. You can also consider partnering with local events or venues to increase your visibility. Identify your target customer base like office workers, tourists, students, or a specific demographic. Choose a location where your target audience is likely to be present. Also investigate the competition in the area. If there are any other food trucks or restaurants offering similar cuisine, then it is better to choose a less competitive location. A visible location is essential for attracting customers. Consider locations with good visibility from the road and the ability to display eye-catching signage. Determine the costs associated with setting up in a particular location. This includes rent, permits, parking fees, and any additional expenses. Ensure that your chosen location aligns with your budget. Purchase a food truck. Choose a vehicle that meets your needs and budget. This includes not only the cost of the truck itself, but also any modifications, equipment, permits, and licensing fees. New trucks are generally more expensive, but may come with warranties and fewer maintenance issues. Used trucks can be more budget-friendly, but require thorough inspections. Also consider the size and layout of the food truck. Ensure it has enough space for your equipment, storage, and workspace. The layout should be efficient for food preparation and customer service. Assess the storage and refrigeration capacity of the truck. Ensure it can safely store ingredients and maintain proper food temperatures. Consider the appearance of the truck. It should align with your branding and be visually appealing to customers. Determine if the truck can be customized to meet your specific needs and branding requirements. Customization can be costly, so factor this into your budget. Designing the food truck layout. Designing the layout of food truck is an important aspect of creating a functional and efficient space for cooking, storing, and serving food. Organize the kitchen space to facilitate a logical workflow. Ensure that the flow of food preparation, cooking, plating, and serving follows a natural and efficient path. Position cooking and preparation stations strategically, considering the order in which food items are prepared. Items that require refrigeration should be close to the refrigerator, while those that need to be cooked should be near cooking equipment. Place cooking equipment like grills, fryers, and stovetops in a way that minimizes the need for staff to cross each other paths. Designate sufficient counter space for food preparation, cutting, and assembling dishes. Incorporate shelving, cabinets, and storage racks for dry goods, cookware, and supplies. Provide enough counter space for plating and assembling orders. Include a service window or counter for customer interaction and order pickup. Dedicate a space for your point-of-sale system or cash register near the service window for quick and convenient customer transactions. Create a visually appealing service area where customers can see the preparation process. Allocate space for waste bins and recycling containers. Ensure easy disposal of waste and maintain a clean environment. Install equipment. Purchase and install the necessary equipment, such as a refrigerator, freezer, stove, grill, and fryer, along with utensils, plates, and food storage containers. Ensure that all the equipment you plan to install is compatible with the food truck's power source, whether it's gas or electric. Consider the electrical and gas requirements for each piece of equipment. Distribute the weight of equipment evenly in the truck to maintain stability while driving. Overloading one side of the truck can lead to handling issues. Adequate counter space is essential for food preparation and serving. Install counters that are easy to clean and maintain. Incorporate shelves, cabinets, and storage racks to keep supplies organized and easily accessible. Use storage solutions that can lock or secure items in place while driving. Plan for ease of maintenance and repairs. Some equipment may need to be serviced or replaced over time, so ensure easy access for technicians. Decorate the exterior. Decorating the food truck's exterior is a crucial aspect of branding and attracting customers. The food truck's exterior should prominently feature the business name and logo. Choose a color scheme that reflects the brand and cuisine. Incorporate graphics or images that represent the food and style. Ensure the menu is displayed prominently and easily read from a distance. Consider using chalkboards or digital screens for flexibility in updating unique offerings. Use LED lights or other energy-efficient options to highlight the branding and menu. Obtain permits and registration. Food truck business involves several permits and registrations to ensure compliance with health and safety. The specific requirements can vary widely depending on location, so it's essential to check with local government and health department. Develop a marketing strategy. Determine what sets your food truck apart from competitors. Is it your cuisine, signature dishes, pricing, or something else? Your USP should be a focal point of your marketing strategy. Understand your ideal customers' demographics, preferences, and behavior. Knowing your audience helps you tailor your marketing efforts effectively. Create a professional website that includes menu, location, schedule, contact information, and links to social media profiles. Partner with local businesses, events, or food festivals for cross-promotion and increased visibility. Collaborations can introduce your food truck to new audiences. Encourage customers to leave reviews and ratings. Positive reviews build trust and credibility. Offer regular promotions, daily specials, or discounts during off-peak hours to attract more customers. Actively seek and listen to customer feedback. Use it to improve your menu, service, and overall customer experience.